I just got my left-hand motor put together on my three-bladed props. Here's a little demo. This thing came with two-bladed props and a different motor. So anyway, the right side motor wasn't working right because it found out eventually that it had a bad speed controller. Here's the bad speed controller. I'm going to take it back, make them give me a new one. Then I'll switch back to the other motors, probably. But these look pretty good and should work pretty well.